cancellation, or there is no question of doing away with the rule, which is a rule under the Central Motor Vehicle Act. We as a state have to implement it. All public transport vehicles have to have a speed governor in place. Now I know suddenly what problem they are facing, because in the market there are not enough speed governors available. People have started to over exploit. Something what should cost you say maybe 2000 rupees, people are charging 15,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. The taxi operators are free to buy the speed governor from whomever they want, even if it is from outside the state. What I am doing as a government is, for 1 month from today, I am going to give them time to install working speed governors. If you have put speed governors out of order, which were working also previously because you wanted people to speed up, please let it be something of the past. See that your speed governors work. End of 1 month from today, that is 7th of April, there will be strict enforcement being done. There will be impounding of vehicles, there will be cancellation of permits if there are any serious violations which are done twice, even if there is no death. I want discipline on the roads. I don't want innocent people to be killed because of somebody's masti or somebody's rash and negligent driving. This thing should not be allowed. So 7th April is the deadline for them. By that time they should install the speed governors, because it is under Central Motor Vehicle Act. I have no powers to sort of do away with that. We don't have the power as a state government. So, but I am saying till 7th I am giving them time to install the speed governors.